Okay, this is what it's gonna look like for you at the end of the tutorial if you watch all of it. You see I could click this check mark and it shows this like hello. I could, I don't know, create like a new audio stream, uncheck, and it's still gonna be there. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is add a script to my node. So I'm gonna just call main.gd and delete all this. Before we do anything, we gotta make this be a tool script so you can run in the editor. And I'm gonna just do add tool, and I'm gonna just do reload current project. Now you're gonna see the node here is like a blue script, and this is blue. That means this will like run in the editor. And now I'm gonna just like make some export variables so it looks good. So I'm gonna just do like export category. I'm gonna call it like, I don't know, stuff. I'm gonna put an export var, use custom stuff. For example, I'm gonna do it be a bool, which is also gonna, you have to do another colon and do set value. So set value, and then here you just say use custom stuff is equal to value, and then you could do a property list changed, and it's gonna emit it. Whenever this value changes, it's gonna pretty much emit a signal that this property here changed it, and we're gonna use that signal to actually like add, like show other stuff. And now here I'm gonna just make a thing called export var custom variable. I'm just gonna do a string so you can see it. Before we do anything, if I will just show it here. If you see, it's like right there. And now I'm just gonna put like another two stuff that most people are probably going to use in their project, so I'll show you how it exactly works. Now I'm going to put a group called 2D, and I'm going to just do export var area 2D, which is going to be a collision shape. Now right now, if I close, I have to like click the check mark so it just updates, so you can see that comes up. But it doesn't like hide when we do that. And I'm also doing export group 3D and an export var area 3D, for example. And oh no, that's supposed to be 3D. So if I just like, it's gonna show it here. And what we're gonna start coding it so like it actually shows and hides it with the value. So I'm gonna do constant custom areas, for example, so like these stuff, and I'll probably just put that there as well. Yeah, I'll just do it, which is gonna be an array with a string name is equal to that, and you get like do shift 7 to get that symbol, quotation marks, and you get put the variable name. For mine is area 2D. Then you're gonna want to do that again, put a comma, put the shift 7, like I don't know, the and sign before you put the quotation marks. Now I'm gonna do area 3D. Make sure it's exactly the same way it's spelled here. And then I'm gonna do another one as well for so shift 7, the and sign, and I'm gonna do custom variable. Now you're gonna do another variable called constant custom area groups. So you don't want to show these groups when there's like nothing there, so we're also going to hide these groups as well and show them, which is going to be another same thing, array which is string name, which is equal to the same thing as before. Put the and sign and you put it exactly how it's spelled, so 2D with a capital D, and then 3D with a capital D as well. And that's for the variables we need. Now we're going to go on the function called validate property with property. It's like a default function already. I'm going to put that to be a dictionary, and I'm going to just do that to void. If property.name in custom areas, then we're going to say if use custom stuff property.usage, and then you gotta put this weird character equal to property usage editor. You can put that there. Else, it's just gonna be property dot usage, misspelled usage, and equal to squiggly line property usage editor. And then you're gonna do pretty much, you just want to copy paste this really, and just change a couple of if pop in custom area groups, and if this is also true, that's pretty much it. So now if you see, if I check this, it's gonna show all these stuff. Uncheck, it's gonna hide all of them, and you could easily expand this. I didn't find much stuff on Google on how to exactly do this. Most of them were like 80 lines of code and stuff, and this did take a while, I suppose, so I hope it helps. And if I put like something like hello and hide it, it's still gonna save it there. So don't worry if you like ever accidentally click the check mark and you lose all your stuff. You don't, it's all saved there. And that's it. You could easily, like, for example, I'll just expand it one more time. Export group. I want to do sounds, and I'm going to do an export var music, for example, which is going to equal to an audio stream MP3, for example. I don't know. And here I'm going to put in groups. I'm going to do that. The and signs, quotation, sounds. And I'm gonna go. This is for Godot 4.2, by the way, not free. It doesn't work for free. Free is different. And then you want to do the same thing over here. You want to do and I'm gonna put music. If I check this now, you're gonna see there's a sound part here, and that's it. And I hope you enjoy this, and this actually helped your project in some way. Have a good day. Bye.